Good morning, so it's my last day. My flight's at 11:55 tonight, so I've got until about 6 o'clock on the park. So the park opens at 10:30, which is in 10 minutes, so I'm just finished packing and I'm gonna head to the park. So my mission for today is to try and meet as many characters as I can. I definitely want to meet Duffy and Tinkerbell and Mickey and Minnie on Main Street, and then see how many more I can do. I've got this outfit on for now. I don't know how cold it will be, but I have got to change clothes. So I'll just give you a quick room tour, because this room is epic. If you walk in, you've got a nice big wardrobe. You've got an open wardrobe, suitcase, and then bathroom's insane. So like you've got one sink. But look what you get free. So as long as it says on that thing, you get normal Mickey Mouse shaped sea salt body lotion and body wash, and then you get this little box. You've got some toothbrush and toothpaste, some kids toothbrush and toothpaste, some ear thing, shaving cream, an ear, like a hair dryer thing so you can't get your hair wet, and a comb, which is really cool. If we go into the bathroom, it's just a shower and a toilet, and then into here you get again some body wash, conditioner and shampoo. And then look at these. I don't know if I can take these and ask, because they're totally adorable. But little Chip and Dale. I mean, look at it, it's so cute. It looks really warm out there, so that's cool. And then these are adorable above the bed. There's Mickey, Minnie even, and Mickey. So that's adorbs. So this is really cute. I definitely recommend it. It is quite effective, that wooden paper front end. I keep thinking it's real, but it's really not. Look, it's really real. So the first character is going to be Duffy and Co, so I'm in line waiting. One of my favourite bits of merchandise they can do here is you can get Apple Watch covers. So I bought this and like a Mickey one. Dorbs! It's even got Lotso on. Awesome. Hello! So that's Daffy Dance, that's one done. Bunch of these eggs around the park, they're really cute. So I got changed as it's really, really warm. So I've got some shorts on now and a t-shirt. And I like Mickey food. No, I like my food Mickey shaped t-shirt. It's really cute. So now I'm gonna try and see what the characters are. It's weird, they don't on the app it doesn't give time, it just says from this time to this time, but on the actual website it gives a bit more civic time. So I'm gonna wonder. But this restaurant that I keep going to, the Festivals of Food, I went and got a drink, so I prefer it in like this with actual ice in it, and fancy drink. And they always keep giving, so I had Mickey Mouse last time and I got Doug's mouth, it's adorable. It's like way better way of drinking a drink. Gardens where you can meet some characters. I think last time I was here, or second time before, first time I came, I had Mickey and Minnie, but they're now on the front. So let's go see who's in here. So there's only one character in these gardens at the moment, and that's Eeyore. I'll come back later once I've met him and see everyone else. Hello! So I've gone into Fairy Tale Gardens now. It's really pretty. Look at the front of the tower door.
Reminds him of flying. Not that he can fly, after all.
Seriously, don't get the obsession with bubbles over here. Everywhere we go in Shanghai, and here's bubbles. Look what I've got to eat. It's a Cheerio ice cream sundae. It looks amazing. Get it in the Toy Story area. It's totally adorable.
Maybe you can help him.
Because I'm staying on site, I get a priority pass for one ride, so I'm going to do it on Grizzly Mine thing, because that's really cool. So this isn't going to plan, it's just gone 1 o'clock and I've only met 2 characters in like 2 hours. So I think I might go and queue for Mickey and Minnie because that's the one I really, really want at the end of the street if they're there. And the rest are all better like pluses. But that's the one I really be gutted I missed because I didn't get it last time. So I'm gonna hit it that way. Okay, so they're not back until 2 o'clock, so I've got an hour, so I might go grab some lunch and go and see what's in that fancy garden so many characters have changed, and then get on mission on at 2. So I've come to Starlight Cafe for lunch. It's a bit like American sort of food, but the queue for the other place I wanted to go is full, like really bad, so I thought I'd do this. So I've gone for a non-Asian meal, and it's fried chicken, and it's really nice. You get, again, if you see my Shanghai vlogs, you get these, so you get some hand gloves to use, which I think is quite cool. Enjoy. I started queuing 15 minutes before it starts, and look at the queue already. Bonkers. One thing I've noticed is the timekeeping is excellent. So you can see it's literally about to become 2 o'clock, and I wonder, about a minute left, and I bet you when that's done, it patches will appear over there. My watch is literally just gone until 12 o'clock, so I reckon any second, there. They'll appear. And here we go, I can see them through the door. And queue. I had to get up on that. That was literally going to take 2 hours to do, and I think it's just a pretty wasted 2 hours for me because I've had to make many pictures and it's only half cast. A bit annoying, but I think I had to make a decision. So now I'm going to try and find some more characters. The Genatino is now in the meet and greets. Showing me that this morning, but it's cute. So I'm back in the Fantasy Gardens, and Eeyore's still there. You know, we've got Mickey Mouse over there as well. It's 2:45 and they're going to announce I only met 2 characters. Wasn't ideal. Next time, I didn't expect it to be quite so busy. So, anyway, should have a wander around and going rides, looks at lots of merchandise. We're heading back to the hotel to get my stuff about 7. I'll watch Parade at 3:45 as well. Finished and I looked on the map and Mickey and Minnie would come back out, so I ran over there and I managed to get a much shorter line in 2 hours, so I've queued for that and I'm about 10 minutes away. Yay, I finally got the shot, but it wasn't on the car, so I think the light's a bit weird, but I got a good shot of Mickey and Minnie, so that was cool. So now I'm just having a wander through some shops I think, and maybe go on a ride, I'm not sure, I've got a lot of time left. Probably need to leave the park in 2 hours. I'm just chilling with the castle behind me, waiting for the sun to go down. It's getting quieter, so it's quite nice just to people watch. I like people watching. It's been a hectic 10 days. It's been really good, but I'm enjoying just chilling today. It's quite nice. I eat a lot of food. I've eaten a lot of ice cream this past. How everyone's leaving. So this is what the castle's going to look like. It's quite cool. It's all like a Chinese, it's a bit like Shanghai, like very Chinesey. And it's really pretty. So that's it, I'm heading home. I've done all the Disney parks on this trip, Shanghai, Tokyo, and Hong Kong. And now I've got to wait until the 30 days to go back to Orlando. So I arrived at the airport. I've actually got changed into my new t-shirt, Shanghai Disneyland, and some joggers because I want to be comfy. It's a night flight, so I'm going to try and stay awake for a few hours so that way I'm getting back into UK time. That's going to be hard. Last time I came back from Hong Kong, I had to sleep before we even took off, and I slept until literally 10 minutes before land. So I've just got on board, and I think I'm going to end the vlog here. I'm sat in a good trip, and I shall catch you further in over 6 months.